Video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Anaconda environment. So first you have to go Google, and so you have to go to google.com and type Anaconda environment, or you can type also Anaconda and enter. Then at the first row you can see Anaconda. You can see a link of Anaconda, then and here you can see anaconda.com. Then you have to click download button, and then the proper version, Python 3.7 or Python 2.7 version. I recommend install Python 3.7 for data science or machine learning or deep learning. And here the 64-bit and 32-bit. So if you have 64-bit machine, you download 64-bit version or 32-bit version to check which version you have. So you have to go this PC, or then click properties here. Then you can check here which version you have, 64-bit operating system. Then you have to go again Anaconda window and install 64-bit installer. So as it is 642 MB, so I already downloaded on my PC. I have to find it where it is. Let me see, and this, here it is. And you have to install the Anaconda window. You have to double click, and you have to just do next and next. I can do further because I already have Anaconda. So you have to just click next, and the Anaconda will install. Then when you are installed completely, you can see, or you can search here Anaconda prompt or Anaconda navigator. You can see here in the search bar. You just type Anaconda. Then if it installs successfully, you can see here. Then you have to open Anaconda prompt, and you can see this. Okay, so that's it, easy and simple. Then if you want to create new Anaconda environment, then you have to go Google and just type Anaconda environment, and here the instruction how to create new Anaconda environment. Look, see, when you first install Anaconda, you just have only one environment. And so how to check the Anaconda environment? Let me show you. You just have to type Conda env list. You just have to type Conda env list. Look, when you install first Anaconda environment, then you only have base environment, only base. You don't have to. I just the TF-v1, TF-v2, PyTorch, Python, those are I created. So if you want to create a new environment just like me, you just have to create one. Just you have to type conda create dash dash name, and then you have to type the environment name which you want to create. Okay, so if you guess I want to create my env, then you can name the environment name and just type enter, and the new environment will create. Okay, and that's it, you just created new environment. I forgot to mention one thing. If you want to install Jupyter if you want to create a Anaconda environment of a specific version, you have to type this. And I also forget to mention, when you create your new environment, you have to install all your Python packages manually. You have to install manually your Jupyter notebook version, and you have to install NumPy version just like that. Pip install NumPy. You have to just open Anaconda prompt, then you have to go your specific Anaconda environment. You have to go conda activate and your specific Anaconda environment. I type tfv1, then enter. Then then you are in tfv1 environment. I have 4 environment. You can type if you want to see the how many environment you have, you just have to type conda env list and then enter, and you can see the star sign. I am in currently tfv1 environment, that's why the star is second. If I am in the base version, the star will be here. Okay, you are in tfv1 environment. And then if you want to launch Jupyter notebook, then you have to type jupyter Jupyter NOTEPOO and just hit enter, and Jupyter notebook will launch on your default browser. Okay, and that's it. It's the simple. Then if you want to create a notebook, then you have to just click new, and here the which environment you have to create the notebook. The base environment have Python 3, then which you create the environment manually, those name here and here. I have 4 environment. You can see the 4 environment name: tfv1, tfv2, pytorch, python. Okay, and when you complete your work or task, then hit quit button. Then the Jupyter notebook shut down successfully. Okay, that's it. The video tutorials. Thank you guys, and please do subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video, and I'll do make more videos just like it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.